Good day everyone. So today I'm gonna cook and demonstrate the menudo, and please watch till the end because I'm gonna um, explain the parts of meat that I use and its uses. So pork shoulder is a cut of meat that plainly tells you where it comes from, the shoulder of a pig for lamb. It is also called picnic shoulder or picnic roast. So it is triangular cut from the area just above the front leg of the pig. So it is a relatively inexpensive cut, often sold with the skin and on a layer of fat. So as a result, it is flavorful, but there is less fat marbling in the meat and will be tough and less cooked correctly. So the nutrition and the benefits that we can get from the pork shoulder is it is far leaner now that it was in past decades, but pork shoulder is higher in fat than pork loin. So the good news is that pork shoulder is a great source of protein.